I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Solana, in another word also known as Sol coin, from Binance to Coinbase. So for those people who do not know Solana is also known as SOL or Sol coin, and you guys can easily transfer it from Binance to Coinbase because both of them are exchange. And for those people who do not know exchange, basically crypto exchange means the place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And Binance is also a crypto exchange and Coinbase is also a crypto exchange, and both of them are very large exchanges, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, it's me, Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance and Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance and Coinbase. Now let's jump right into the video. First step is you want to go to coinbase.com and log in into your account. Once you do that, go on send and receive. And on send and receive, you want to go on receive. Once you're in receive, you want to choose what you want to receive. So for me, Solana, so I'm going to write SOL. Once I write SOL, I can click on SOL and then I can copy the wallet address. Once I copy the wallet address, I go back to Binance and I go on wallet, go on overview. Once I go on wallet overview, the next step is I want to go on withdraw over here. And once I go on withdraw, the next step is I want to choose Solana over here. So I'm going to write SOL. By default, it's going to be Bitcoin. We're not transferring Bitcoin, we're transferring Solana. SOL, and paste the wallet address which we copied from Coinbase, and after that it's going to choose the network automatically. If it doesn't, you can choose it manually yourself as well, and enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and click on withdraw. Once you do that, the amount of Solana is going to be transferred from Binance into Coinbase. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to Coinbase. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Coinbase and Binance to get up to $10 bonus. And it's me, Kevin, signing out. You're watching One to Step YouTube channel. Stay tuned to our channel for future video.